Monthly maintenance. First, check seal bars for damage on the seal bar coating. Replace if needed. Ensure the power and air is locked out. To check the blades, remove the bolts from the top heater jaw plate and take the plate off. Inspect the horizontal blade and look down in the seal area to view the vertical blade. If there is no damage and the seal bars meet in the corner, meaning they are aligned, you can put the plate back on and proceed. If the blade needs to be changed, remove the bolts from the horizontal and vertical seal bar frame. Disconnect the heater cables from the junction box. Open the jaws and remove the seal bar frame. You can now change the blades. Once the new blades are installed, you reverse the steps to replace the seal bar frame back into the machine. Second, check that all bearing blocks are greased with lightweight grease in both the jaw and seal bar areas. Make sure all lines are connected to the fittings. Grease the central lube ports with 1 pump of grease.